Another week of football, another week of interesting news and interesting things that are happening in the league, both at the top and the bottom. Kaiser Chiefs is not doing quite well, but Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates are still fighting tooth and nail for that league. And at the bottom, things are a bit shaky where we see Orbit College now being the last one on the log. We're going to be unpacking it, and the league is nearing its end. So we need to start making those predictions as to who is likely to be the player of the season. Oh, hey, man, who the coach of the season is going to be. This is Junior Kanye TV. I am Ndlandla Sichele, and on my left, I've got Junior Kanye. On my right, I've got Michael Nkambule. Remember, this episode is brought to you by World Sports Betting. Hashtag WSB, hashtag bet with the best. James, how are you doing?
Clicks kunjani mfethu?
Ngikrendwena?
Right.
Michael?
Clicks clekelela.
All right.
Sharp wena.
Sharp.
Sharp.
Guys, things are getting more heated, things are getting more interesting. Points are dropped, points are picked up. Currently, Mamelodi Sundowns is sitting on top, and they are a game in hand. They've played 27 of the 30 games that they need to play for the league. And Orlando Pirates has played 26 games. And imagine, like, there's a 5-point gap between number one and number two. Michael, let me start with you. Let's firstly unpack the game that has been on everybody's lips, the game that took place yesterday. What did you make of that game?
Nhlanhla into engingayisho mane iSundowns njengoba sikhulumile ngayo akusi club bedlala but ukubonisa ukuthi nabo before le game le before bodlala nePolokwane City away i-choose ukuthi bayisaba kanjani iSundowns. These teams manje baba nale strategy sokudlala in the smaller nyana venues, but if you can contain Mamelodi Sundowns eShiro uzoba yini Loftus. So I think ikhaya labo Nhlanhla lapha yeah bayenza islot yeah, so mangabe ubayekile wona ekhaya lakho ukuze ekhaya labo ucamba bazokuyeka ngeke bakuyekele Nhlanhla.
So let's talk about the goals that were there, the three gens that actually made sure that they secure the 3 points. They're also now doing something more interesting because now a points difference is also coming to a close. They're sort of closing that gap as well. Let's talk about the goal that was scored in the beginning by Reyners.
Nhlanhla lento sikhulumile ngayo Reyners ukuthi like the way they possess ama quality strikers ngakhona, because if you can check Reyners is one of the top goal scorers kuya compete yeah.
That was his 16th goal actually.
Yeah. So I think bona ke into advantage yabo phambili bane strike ezikorayo Nhlanhla yeah, which into matter kakhulu because without goals Nhlanhla ngeke win ama games, whether you win 1-0 or ngaki, but ekugcineni you need 3 points. Yeah.
All right. Tabo. Reyners, you speak his praises every time you speak about him. And like we said, he's currently on 16 goals in the league at the moment. And he scored again. He showed up and made sure that Mamelodi Sundowns stays on top in the first half of that game yesterday. Let's talk about the game.
Yeah, Nhlanhla simasikhuluma ngoReyners akuna debate uReyners ne-strikers khona eSouth Africa, including naye uFoster, the one who's playing there kuBurnley.
Yeah.
The boy, make no mistake, has done well for himself. But noma ngabe wadlala kuBetway Premiership, I don't think bekazoba sesikhuluma nangama-goals uReyners akorile. Pound to pound, when you check, irrespective ukuthi badlala amali kanjani boyi-2 Betway Premiership, obvious angeke bayi-rate as i-Premier League, Premier League, I mean to say, yase-England. But except ama-stats nje, watching both of them how they play, uReyners mfethu mina I don't understand why Hugo Broos always angamconsideri the striker uReyners lesayiso. I'm not surprised ukuthi akore 16 goal izolo. Asikhulume ngegame ezolo Nhlekisothi. Each position goes Sundowns, there's competition, a highly competition, not competition in the team. They're competing to go to the national team. Yeah. Well, and compliment for them for setting standards at Champions League. I think they've grown, honestly. It's not easy to play knowing very well ukuthi kune title race. My points is not the axis different. Different ayikho enkulu. Cause compliment to Orlando Pirates this season. I mean, they've got the most young and the younger players with a bright future ahead of them. And I think by under pressure, Mamelodi Sundowns, pound to pound, I think, honestly, they came to the party. But now, for Sundowns to be composed the way they were so composed, game in solo, akukho easy. I think yabanceda ukudlala bona lama CAF Champions League finals, a semi-final, participating each and every year. They were so composed. Upegi position in one. Imagine Nuno and Mshishi in the same team. I'm just saying, imagine Kipidu adlale na this guy uGreen Kekana okanye mhlambe na uNdamane in the same team. And there's Basatin that is not even utilized akadlali. So which is a competitor nomdiba there. On the right hand side, imagine Umrena Izolo uqale yena. Best right back up for me in South Africa, which is I believe Umda beyangadlali Izolo. He came as a sub. And they've got trainers ongaqalanga Champions League ngikhuluma nge last game abayidlala. I think they were playing here even away. Psychological lo muntu bekazolimala ukuthi okay kubhethe premiership ngi content of to be goal scorer, top goal scorer angiqali eChampions League baqala ngathi this guy come and score bezomlimaza psychologically to show ukuthi strong kangakanani. He came in yesterday bamqala, okay, last game bamqalile, not sharp much, you understand, but very dangerous striker because master position, runs off the ball, he understands his teammates, phethe balance, he has target foot. So yesterday he came, I think kube nelucky goalkeeper ngikhuluma nge first attempt, first 10 minutes pinpoint from Mkwena. And they've got players who are technically very superior. Ngikhuluma ngomkwena, Jaden Adams, movement of the ball, understand one another. Best midfield in the country, which is Jaden Adams nomkwena, and also Marcelo Allende. And on the bench is Mkhulisi, who came in yesterday, never lost the ball. So Nhlanhla mangikhuluma nga certain position banama player that they competing, and well done to Technical Sundowns team ukuthi created that competition. Now we came as well. It was convincing. Everybody witnessed it with Polokwane City Tati Sundowns is Esishigo. I mean, Michael mentioned something very important to Tati Sundowns is Esishigo. But you can't even mention, you can't even yes, and they never maintained Sundowns. They were lucky not to concede 2 goals. Mtiba Naya, which is I believe I don't think he's gonna play again after missing that penalty. No Agna Power. I mean, I'm a coach is Mawenza Leanto, you must make sure. Yabo. So kuba nengondo ukuthi akathatha ispansa. I know ukuthi is so professional, but I'm talking about the mind ama coaches. So ngapho compete na kubani Mtiba in Tegmelasberg. So Polokwane City lucky not to concede 2 goals. Mangibukela repeat game ngoba mina bengenza le cheese. Neswelele. So mangihlele endlini ngibukela repeat game. I think Sundowns they dominated the game. Bona ngihlale ngisho they've got the identity. Nhlanhla whether uyangikholwa everywhere, every team that the best ngikhuluma nge-PSG around the world, ngikhuluma nge-Bayern, I'm talking about Man City, those team Barcelona, there's identity in Nhlanhla.
We're talking about teams that are winning leagues back to back,
and now back to back, but they're going to go Champions League, go second round, yes, Champions League now PSG, and leading. And possibility goodbye between them and Bayern go final. They are there. And look how they play. I'm talking about best teams in the world. So identity in Nhlanhla mangihlale emphasize abantu bakhuluma ukuthi hey swini lama results. Endoda abo Luis Enrique, abo Pep Guardiola, abo company, the coach at Bayern, the Mamela Nhlanhla, identity, the philosophy of the team. I mean, it's very important to them. Obvious, bonabali structure and stuff, and also the identity. So, Sundowns ngendlela edlala ngayo. Yesterday, in fact, I mean, Paris they are here. Yesterday, they are different with 2 points. They're going to panic, rush. You understand? Upege how a lot of stars, how composed they were. And second half, I think something else. I'm also about Engbashalizanda. Nunes well, even his goal, and now this guy, Meling Shalo Matthews. I think any winger man, is not one of the best in terms of taking players, but to put this in Tama winger nazo, which is more than coaches in Taba Funayo. Una this thing I think the way a defender, the way attacks, he can defend that same. Upeti strengths of defender more than and I'm coaches which is in Taifuna. But sometimes they don't play with wingers. And in the Sundowns, I think coach first good team sheet, I think that guy was 2 or 3 after Roman Williams nomkwena. So though minangfuna more from him. sengikhuluma offensive. I hate wing engalanda bami engakhombani engayi behind defense 10 defense engakho reverse part ama-goal. So Nhlanhla no leya club leya kuzoba nzima bosivimba bona it's themselves unfortunately.
Right.
Yeah,
at
it's
this point in
themselves.
time, yeah.
Yeah.
At this point in time. Michael, Junior is saying something good at this point in time. The league is for Sundowns to lose. And you always have a different opinion. What is your take at this point in time?
ngabona Nhlanhla babaleka nayo but nami ngele ngayisho ngathi Pirates because if unga-check na i-Pirates kule game Nhlanhla kokucala we've never witnessed i-league efana njengale
Yeah.
because
In a long
yeah because we've seen Sundowns win lento nga 5 games before
Seven,
bazo
eight,
7
nine
8
games, yeah.
games you understand but this season i-Pirates njengoba ngisho baphushile but mina ngisasene-believe for umuzi omnyama
What makes you believe so much, Michael?
there's pressure Nhlanhla
Because
yabona
now the stats and how Sundowns have been displaying their football does not look like Pirates can compete with them. And I'm talking about something that he talks about all the time. Ukhuluma nge-psychology. And when you check ukuthi badlala ku Betway Premiership, badlala ku CAF Champions League, and like right now, like he's saying, ukuthi they're competing for the World Cup. Mentally, badlala back to back. Mentally, they're fit. Like right now, kusasa baye campaign, bebadlala izolo. They're playing again on Saturday. Like, what makes you think ukuthi against the Orlando Pirates, they've got Orlando Pirates against Mamelodi Sundowns, they've got the depth, they've got the mental strength and the psychology that they need to be able to win the league?
Nhlanhla njengoba ngisho i-Sundowns okay bona bane-experience ne but they've never had i-pressure efana njengale Nhlanhla because as long i-Pirates na keep on winning their games it's still gonna be a pressure Nhlanhla
Yeah.
ngizokutshela iqiniso okay I've seen Sundowns win i-league they're the best team in terms of ukuthi bamanage how to win games manage games but monga-check-a yona Nhlanhla manje i-pressure like ayifani nalawo amanye ama-season they've been feeling so many pressure manje so into engiyibonile mina nange-Pirates ilontuza yabo la bamoshe khona kakhulu it was the game i-Chiefs if they've won against i-Chiefs Nhlanhla last time ngishilo ngathi nabo abanye abazoziluzisa i-league
Yeah.
Understand
yeah,
wena
yeah,
Nhlanhla so
yeah.
mara mina
I mean,
into
that draw kind of set them back.
but mina ngithi kuya asibukele kule train 4 games ese
Because the Pirates isalele
four
four games,
games.
and then Mamelodi Sundowns has got 3 games remaining.
and then manje Pirates the next game they are going to Cape Town
Yes.
angeke kube lula
Stellenbosch,
against
Source.
ucoach Hunt angeke kube lula so but now uyayazi umuzi omnyama nawo usefomini Nhlanhla
Yeah.
but
Also
manje
for me, but it looks more like they're better and they take more when they're home.
yeah
When they are away,
leli
it's a bit
qiniso
tricky.
no yabona lapha ba create slot Nhlanhla usangeni lapha eAmsterdam Arena lapha leli qiniso Nhlanhla but njengoba ngisho Nhlanhla angeke siba compare that much but into esingayinika yona iPirates ukuthi no this season sibonile ukuthi into abayibuildile man Nhlanhla from kuJose kwaba ne-continuity but
Sure.
yinto emnandi le Nhlanhla because asifuni ukubona iclub iwin ileague nje kusele 10 games Nhlanhla vele kubhore nje Nhlanhla so that's why nginale believe ukuthi Sundowns anything can happen if nabo bawina amagame wabo anything can happen Nhlanhla anything can happen i-Sundowns ina 2 home games leyo yokugcina yaku TS Galaxy and i-TS Galaxy yastruggle and yawazi lama team lawo wabona ngathi yastruggle bazovela kubamba Nhlanhla
Because TS Galaxy can stop Mamelodi Sundowns.
mina ngithi asibukele le 3 games Nhlanhla
All right, let's talk about the game then. Kaizer Chiefs and Siwelele. Let me start with you, Tabo. Let's talk about that game and what did you make of that game?
Yeah, I've been saying, when we win ugly games and you can't go and compete against Orlando Pirates. You put 3 central defenders, 3 central midfielders, which is those are defensive midfielders, not attacking. And then people applaud you. You get the one chance that you score. Yes, one they've done well stopping the best Orlando Pirates currently. But the Maskumi Valley Chiefs is a big team, supposed to pound compete in ball playing game. Like by judge how they created chances, how they turn it defense Orlando Pirates, how they breaks Orlando Pirates. You understand? Mhlambe kumele kube a game of 2 halves. We understand. Or the Chiefs play open game, lose. We understand. But now, in the reason I'm saying this. Going to Orlando Pirates game, everybody were uploading with the Chiefs today. I understand, which is true. They've got so many fans. And you can't fault ama-fans we-Chiefs. They love their team.
They do.
Yabo. And angeke uba fault, but last sikhuluma nge-reality. Kunento abayenzile against Orlando Pirates. Nothing. They just stop Orlando Pirates not to win. You understand? But masubheka igame, yes, Pirates a bit flat now. There's certain players ngoba it's more of the relying individual brilliance. Yabo. And wari ngisasho namanje. By doing that, na iphinde yamshala game reading. Yabo, cause wa police bengamelanga amkhiphe kule game. Yabo, which is the game yes, the derby. Yes, I know he was not at their best, but at his best, but bengamelanga amkhiphe. And intensely Chiefs, they manage this boy bavale space because umfana udlala number 10, but that's why badlala nga 3 central midfielders. Ukuvala umfukeng, try to push him away from Ipali because he's a very dangerous player. You understand? And well done to the boy who's created that legacy already. So good playing umfana na 2021 challenging, especially big team like Chiefs.
Sure.
But going to Swele, begin my expectations. After drawing against the best team, point now Sema played with 5 TTC players. Meno Sema is a friend of mine. I just spoke to him even today in the morning. Udlale ngabafana babuye ku SuperSport. Lo mfana ujeza local relay development. Graduate. Ungitshelile ukuthi into and not at Celtics ya risk ngintwana ke. Yabona intwana my grand yazibhola. One coach mangithi mina love Sema not because his personality. The reason yabona Nhlanhla I've never coached, ne? I learn ebantwini abanjengaye, played the game, not by ngamaphepha and stuff, watching the game. Ngifan umuntu wenza grand like nangaba boRulani, we learn so to those people. Young young South African coaches. Yabona by apply not theoretically on the field. So Usiema is a young coach, is unfortunately for me. Ufike emathimini uthola ukuthi I don't think he's been given enough. Support, especially my directors. I mean, manje kusikhukhuni. Usiema uhamba ku position 4. And for what? I mean, yamchita lo ya team uyipushile bekayihlanganisa coming this year I can tell you because of compete Usiema. So okanye next season because I think kwambe this year early. You understand? So now Usiema going to the game Chiefs. Look at the game itself. Let alone ama goal.
Yeah.
Nhlanhla masikhuluma iVAR bekumele lead 3-0 or 4-0. Ngikhuluma nga first half. Their 2-0 is not a reflection of a game. Choose the performance second half. First half they were flat.
Yes.
And badlala nga defensive midfield umabuye ucele Mduduzi nowhere to be seen. And the way they move, badlala intensity high labafana want us to technically superior compared to Kaizer Chiefs. Bese ubheka structure se team how they defended. You understand?
Yeah.
Abo Senuka, well done to Medicine udlala ngo Mobi, I mean to say, ku center back, right wing back, yabo lebe dlala kubafana uyu Proside Trust, omdlala center back, adlala no Snook. So well done, I think ngimshayela izandla, mfethu check midfield yakhe, ngimshayela izandla. So I think for me kule game we winile nje game as a whole. Angikhulumi ngama goals. So Kaizer Chiefs I was very disappointed how they, but mina disappointment yami. Ngihlale ngisho it was not that game. It's how coaches approach the games and players the way nabo bazapply ngakhona. And ngihlale ngisho they've got average squad, honestly. Where it matters most, I don't think Michael like said. Ningi into kumele bazishintshe singakhohliswa ama results. Because they will win 2 games now, 3, 4. Lose 4, draw 2. Back to square. So namanje khona bese banama doubt after winning about 5 games about coaches they mustn't go. Khona ngisho. Now after that lose draw, Polokwane City and draw and lose.
Lose, yeah.
Mele bavai. So we need to be realistic, we as people. So silbeke please everybody ngiyahlonipha opinion ya wonke umuntu, mara the fact is structure se club. No, Nhlanhla mele basilungise. Even technical team they need to reshuffle. They need to bring people who've got knowledge and experience in the game. And baseti structure is so sustainer zona for a while. And buying players akusingeke be option in future. So they need to bring experienced coach as well for a head of a senior side in Kalingish who is a South African who understand the game.
And understand Kaizer Chiefs.
Ngisho kanjalo and head of development who understand South African players who will take out the best out of those players. Yeah, so mele mningi umsebenzi kumele wenze kibo.
Michael, Siwelele.
Siwelele samasele se.
Yeah, siwelele ke seo. Se kentse metsi ka tlung ya Chiefs.
Yeah, mina Nhlanhla ngizokutshela iqiniso Nhlanhla ngishilo nalento before ngisho ngithi Nhlanhla iChiefs singajudge in terms of performance nani but i-reality Nhlanhla manje they must go to the market bathole i-coach bamnike i-checkbook and sign quality players Nhlanhla.
So now it's an issue of quality players, it's an issue of development, it's an issue of getting experience. Kahle, what would be the immediate solution for Kaizer Chiefs?
No, mina
Because now, sorry to interrupt you, Kusele Amakemai 4 for them as well. And then Good Amakemai 4 as well. We don't think the coaches will go. But now, approaching the new season, what is it that if you were to say to Kaizer Chiefs, let this thing be what works for you in the new season, what is that thing?
mina Nhlanhla into ebengayenza kuqala mina into engabatshela yona ukuthi they must appoint a coach
All right.
abamazi abazombona ukuthi okay this is the one okay njengabo coach Pete like bakhona ama experienced coaches
Yeah.
but i-problem ke Nhlanhla izoba kuphi I don't think they will sign a coach abazofuna ukuthi izenzele ithathe wonke ama decision yeah because into engibona ngamaklapa amaningi kuba naleyo nkinga leyo with the coaches because ugcina ungathola ama player wona owafunayo bakusayinela ama players you understand so I mean I think if they can bring an experienced coach kwamanje Nhlanhla and then bamnike i-check ukuthi yazini sign whoever ufuna ukumsign quality player and then we build from there and then we bring mhlambi i-head of development and then we bring more scouts we bring more former players abadlalile kwi-Chiefs you bring them basondeze eklabhini kuzoba yiwo ama-scouts wakahamba ukufunela ama-player kuphi because ngaphandle kwaloko alikho iplayer lingavele lisuke eCape Town bathi lize eJozi nje kureka njalo Nhlanhla you need somebody uzoya eCape Town ahamba utshontsha lelo player alibuyise la because if you check njengamanje bheka makazothi i-TDC iswele besidlala nga-5 ama-player we-TDC
TDC, yeah.
itshelane into le they win against Kaizer Chiefs you understand you must have ukuthi kube nabantu abazokubhekela these kind of players at an early age because angeke ufuna ukubona i-talent at the age of 19 or 20 kumele ucale lapha phansi from there 11 years uhambe ulandela abafana ubahlanganise I think kanjalo they can build Chiefs man Nhlanhla it's been a big team by before because you know why inhlapha enkulu yona but iSundowns ngokuthi ifike Nhlanhla ayikwele kwachange izinto eziningi because masikhula sonke everyone wanted to play for Chiefs
Yeah.
but manje Sundowns yele change game
Sure.
because Sundowns yenzani they invest there they put more money so manje it's difficult manje ukuthena Sundowns down that's why uthola ama players ajoin Sundowns solo umuntu abona ukuthi okay la ngengidlale but if you check lento Nhlanhla uhlele endlini you earning 20,000 yafika Sundowns izokunika 200,000 I don't think ukuthi uzofuna uya kwenye club.
Now you're raising something that maybe we can touch on a bit. Ne? Ukuthi there's what we call financial fair play, right? Do you think Sundowns is practicing that financial fair play? Because now, into usho ukuthi umfana akasadlaleli ukuthi ngifuna ukudlalela iKaizer Chiefs and I want to be the best player kuKaizer Chiefs, but now sekadlalela imali. Is that also part of the reason where we are in terms of South Africa? Because our football, it's great and all of that, right? But when you look at Sundowns and the things that they do, in the competitions that they compete in, and you look at the financial muscle that's backing them, could that also be the reason why Kaizer Chiefs is not where it's supposed to be?
Nhlanhla asikhuluma iqiniso Nhlanhla let's check iMan City asikhulume ngeMan City check i-history Man City and check i-history yeMan U
Sure.
ane
Yeah.
it was then before sikhuluma ngakuzofika uPep
Yeah.
and then uPep makafika kwenzakale Nhlanhla they pump more money so that he can buy his own players phela ufike lapho waqosha boJoe Hart was number 1 for England
Sure.
wafika wamqosha
Yeah.
waletha ugoalkeeper wakhe waqosha whoever he brings his own players because ngaphandle kwaloko the system afuna ukuyidlala idinga ama players special so you can't take everybody kule system yabo Pep yabo Rulani it need ama ball players lento le so you need to go and find abantu bakho uzothi lo ngiyambona suitable for this system it's a system lento yabo Nhlanhla angena noma abantu that's why lapha amogijima nebhola angeke udlale kulama team so yeah
Yeah, true.
So now, hey guys, it looks like inkinga kahle kahle ne ziningi because you're raising a financial issue, you're raising an experienced coach, you're raising an issue ukuthi certain players are not playing for badge Kaizer Chiefs. They don't know what it means and what it should be to play for Kaizer Chiefs. So ziningi izinto, and then there's also that thing ukuthi even if you get a coach, you still get a coach and you don't let the coach have the freedom to choose ukuthi ufuna ukudlalisa bani Abafuna ukudlalisa abanye. Those are the problems that, Michael, we've had a coach, we've had local coaches coach Kaizer Chiefs, but the outcome was the same. Why?
Hey, yabona Nhlanhla mani naku yabona phela nabo i-Chiefs ucoacha lapha nako akusipapa nenyama Nhlanhla nako nokudlala leya club akusipapa nenyama. Yeah, sikhuluma nje iqiniso ine-pressure yona ngokwayo.
Yeah.
Because now I remember one time mangisese khona ku-Chiefs under umushini bese ngathola ama-results bekunzima nokuthi uye emall Nhlanhla. Yayibona athe kwama-supporters bakubuza ukuthi ubhizi emall wena iklabha ayiwini uyayibona Nhlanhla and ekugcineni phela emall kumele uyothenga ukudla uzodlani phela uma ungaya emall ngithola wena Nhlanhla. So njengoba ngisho ukuthi nayo i-Chiefs Nhlanhla if ifuna ukutshintsha izinto Nhlanhla like manje whether siyathanda sithandi the market like i-market semoshakele Nhlanhla you can check in Europe you can check everywhere. Let's check i-PSG the history of PSG. Lyon was dominating French football. I was there Nhlanhla ngiyewitnessile lento le Lyon but PSG yenzeni they've pumped money they basoloko bathenga but without the right coach
Yeah.
bebastruggle.
For sure.
That's why sithini kuwe you need a coach abazomiyeka yenza into zakhe.
Yeah.
Bring
And you need
whoever
the financial
amfunayo
muscle. Yeah.
exactly alethe wonke umuntu amfunayo and then you back him because now bheka uma ungo-check i-PSG hayi ukuthi phela nabo babe i-PSG those players they promoted them ama-player bawathengile
Yes.
Nhlanhla they
Yeah.
spend you understand ukuthola bo-Vitina ukuthola bo-bani they spend a lot of money.
But both of you, nibuya ku development structure of this very team, and you guys then were feeded onto the senior team, which is something that we hardly see now. What could have changed? Because there's a DDC now, like you mentioned, and like it should be like bekumele ngabe kulula kuthi sithatha la sifaka la, because now they're competing on that level. So what still seems to be the problem?
Nhlanhla bheka manje Nhlanhla njengoba ngisho manje masikhula thina the time sa-developa i-Chiefs everybody from development wonke umuntu akafuna ukudlalela i-Chiefs or i-Pirates but njengoba ngisho ukuthi i-Sundowns manje ku-pitch and i-Sundowns is winning is doing well akekho umuntu ongafuna ukuzibona la endaweni khona i-club ingawini khona understand wonke umuntu ufuna ukuzibona win empilweni. So the different Nhlanhla njengoba ngisho i-Sundowns uma unga-check i-technical ye-Sundowns ngikutshela nge-development baningi labantu labo Nhlanhla uyangi-understand nakuma-scouting wakhona there are lot of scouts there for i-Sundowns so yize ezinye zezinto Nhlanhla njengoba ngisho ukuthi iplayer kumele uzulitshontshe lina-15 elinye kumele uhambe eCape Town ulitshontshe lina-11 years ulithathe ulifake esikolweni wazi ukuthi hayi la ngipheka umlilo wami la ibhodo lami malivuthwa kuvuthwa into right.
So that's what's lacking.
Yeah, Nhlanhla enye into futhi it's for now yes true. Kaizer Chiefs they need to get for me I think they need to get a sort of a technical director. Yeah, technical director, not a technical director, somebody who will also in the
Give
research.
me a name of a technical director
Yeah.
that would be suitable. A South African technical director. That has that knowledge and understanding of what is needed at Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, for me, if I starting a head coach for me for Kaizer Chiefs, I think for me, Pitso Msimane can be the right person, the head coach of.
And then your option, if it's not Bizo, then who else?
It's a P2 Roland Mkwena. Is not available.
And then in the absence of Rulani,
Yeah, I mean, I'll go for those two coaches because
only.
for now, Nhlanhla not in a bad way.
Sure.
Because Kulmanga and the pressure, Michaela Kulma, technical director, kunabantu ababa underrated South Africa banjengabo Suresh Singh. Yabo abo Suresh ngicela wenze i-research ngabo. Abo Suresh, I know Suresh because of Ted Dimitro.
Yes.
And about Ted, I mean, there's a lot of teams in South Africa now, Basaspanisa, whatever. Ted Waipala. I'm talking about in his book. Go and read his book, Ted. Lamantali izinto ezibizwa ngemodern manje izinto wazapply incwadini yakhe ezikhona before ngikhuluma ngo-2000 and mina was like a father cause nasendlini bengimvisit yabo and bengamazi lamadalini olitsha nayo that remaining madala yabo ngiyamhlonipha he was like a father to me yabo so Usudesh is one of the person Nhlanhla with the experience underrated in South Africa is there at SuperSport Bashad is thing is Soccer Africa look ngicela that guy Uspanile go Sundowns. He was once the head of Sundowns in terms of scouting. In knowledge, those people, I mean, Nhlanhla bringing them there. Umlete as a technical director, Spanin Abo Pizzo. Farouk being head of development. Nhlanhla, it can work. That's for me. In Kulmange, a technical director. And Nenye don't takes For now, yes, they need to buy players, especially for a senior side, because noma ngabe uyamletha coach, whatever development coach, who uzospana ngabo bani ku development, who is going to promote, ngikhuluma nge head of development. So kwayena lo coach uzofuna ukuhamba wenze research, uzobringa ama-scout, uzofuna utshontsha ama-player from development, bo-school, wherever. You need, ku-Chiefs kufuneka ama-player anesibindi, at the early age, ama-player ane-idea, ngoba nathi basithole sine-idea, not ukuthi basifundisile ibhola, basithole sine-idea. And ku-first team yabo, you need very checkbook for now, coach njengopitso, ezolanda i-technical team, ito nalo, itshela uBraking, based on my results, I don't need them. And then you bring their former players such as Abutabo, Lawrence Moki. He has done well for the team. I mean, that guy knows the team in and out. I mean, in terms of scouting, yes. Scouting. You bring players that has done well for it. I mean, Eskusen, I will bring him back. You understand? Because they know the team, the identity, the culture of the team. Same Kulmang is scouting. And then you tell Pizzo to bring his technical team. And then you Farukum tell with identify my coach under 17, under 15, under 13, and Konalap under 11. Umzilu Farukman Kulman interview. Was a new question Tantanam Gibe lost with Pendul and Bengaibon with why current development teams about TTC League, Bajalabu League, why? Iyo le yenza ukuthi ama-coach adlalela ama-results from development. So now umfana jump stage because we in hurry to sifuna ama-results. So Faruq naye uthe makangibuza leya question Nhlanhla, nami I couldn't even answer. You understand? So ngihlale ngifunda kulo yababa. Those people, they understand. It's sort of, I mean, it just recently got the awards from Awada to develop one of the best coach. Developer player went to Europe and done well. Ngikhuluma ngabo May Mahlangu, Tukelo Ranzi, Luther Singh went to Brazil, Praga. So the list goes on. I mean, uFaruq Mfethu uyenzile nangathi baningi. You understand? So Khune as well. Best ayikhiphile. So bring Faruq, he knows Chiefs. Since ambili khiphe bani Kaizer Chiefs. So mningi umsebenzi okumele wenze. Enye into futhi Nhlanhla ngizoyisho, Kaizer Chiefs now. We suppose Kaizer Chiefs asikhulumeli position 3-4 or compete for ICAF next year. Kumula uChiefs play of the season, goalkeeper of the season, striker, top goal scorer, kumele ngabe phuma kuChiefs. We're supposed to have players 4, 2, 3 going to the national team in the midfield. Up front, mhlambe ba compete at 2, 3 at the back. So now it tells you good far, not even looking. I mean, Hugo Prosky Mzule nje ku statement sakhe last week, he said ngale game eDerby, Chiefs didn't play well. Yes, they've done well with Battle in Orlando Pirates. For themselves, they've done well. And ngibonile abanye abantu bayithatha ngendlela embi, mara mina nami I differ with coach most of the time, especially grounding and stuff, identity, philosophy yakhe. Ngimcomplimente la mele ngimcomplimente khona. But the statement ashilo, no hard feelings. I think he said the right thing. And obuzile ukuthi who must I take, and mebamfaka pressure. And so Nhlanhla, honest, umsebenzi kumele wenze ku-Chiefs and emele bangarush special results now, even if they
But
bring
the fans as well.
Nhlanhla
Ama-fan yiwo angana patience. They're the ones that actually end up putting so much pressure on the coaches, on the management team, that even if you plan build corner to actually build, they're not patient enough.
Nhlanhla bekumele ngabe i-Chiefs yayenza lento kudala le ukuthi ba build izinto, like build, restructure
Mara
everything.
abana patience.
Ngisho ukuthi i-technical team themselves ngabe ayikho kule situation ama-fans ukuthi angabi patient. Ngikhuluma ngento ya-7 years ago. Yabo i-Chiefs ngabe yayenza lento ngabo ma-2015 ukubona ukuthi okay chance. Since Ted left, we brought Abo Ernest Medidov, we brought Abo Solinas, we brought Abo Steve Kompela, we brought everyone, abanjengabo Stuart Baxter, and then iklabu yamosheka. Because all those players, Ted, Njoba Schumacher, each and every coach, njengabo Pep, Abo Vincent, Abo Company, Henrik Lewis, Henrique. Abantu you bring players, bafuna badlala nge-16. You need players technical, very good to move off the ball, and you can master short, long passes. Who understand the coach ifunane and nabo bazapply. You understand? Badlala nge-system ezisho. So honestly speaking, Nhlanhla nje ukuchazela nje straight. Masambisa uTed. Uthe uErnest makafika. He let go of Oscar Skalvik. A lot of players let go. Talented. So kusho ukuthi we lost the identity, the culture of us. And then waleta body tech, I've got nothing against body tech they brought whoever or who, the list goes on. Yabo the team we yaphenduka enye team encane. You understand sekudlala abo scope and 4 now. And then grinding results. Yafika Ernest won results, if not mistaken, 2012. Khona lapho 20 not Ernest this Stuart Baxter guy.
Yes.
But ngama player amadala ubheke na nabantu bebamkorela defenders Mashamaite Tower. Now after that the team disappear because udlala ngabantu abadala. And mawungabheka club the way bedlala ngakhona besigrind ama results, but yinto enza ukuthi sisafe na today eclubini le njenge club. So mningi umsebenzi kumele wenze Nhlekisi.
Hey. Yeah, mningi umsebenzi okumele wenze. But anyway, now that we are nearing the league and it's ending, right? Let's talk about the players that are likely to make an impact, the coaches that have improved, just overall the journey of how things have been. Michael, let's talk about who in your mind will be the player of the season. Because when you look at the stats, right? Urile Nopuso from TS Galaxy, they're the two players that actually have been getting back to back. Well, they've got 2 each. AMA player of the month, right? 2 each coaches. This is Uwadu as well as Ukadoso. They've won it twice, right? So now let's okay, we'll talk about the coaches. Let's talk about the players.
Yeah, it's in rap mina first. One top goal scorer.
No, we'll come to the top goal
Okay,
scorer.
midfield.
We'll come to the most improved player. We'll come to the most
Player of
improved
the- player of
coach.
the season.
Yeah, we'll come to the players.
It's
of the
very
season. But for now,
straightforward.
let's start with the player of the
It's
season.
very straightforward. The boy has done well for himself. Lebogile Mfoki.
Yours, sir?
Eyes the same. Mina
Oh,
ngizokwenza
so
player
unpicked
ne-players.
side. All right,
Love the
cool.
season.
Okay, player.
Yeah, I will give this guy a police.
Player.
I'll give it to really futhi.
Sure. Okay, cool. Let's talk about the coaches. Who is likely to take it for you? Because now you've said, both of you, Guti, like pound to pound, they've been trying. Wadu has improved. Wadu has showed up. And he's on number 2. Kadoso's on number 1. Who do you give your coach?
Yeah,
of the
obvious.
players to?
Bazoyinika because I believe sometimes is win the league. Bazoyinika, but truly speaking, him. No,
Yeah.
me Sundowns ngayina ngamnika uwadu. I mean, he took over from icathulo ezinkulu man.
Sure.
Yabo esicathulo eshe yazi umlilo mawushisa bese bakunika. And then upolice. Okanye mhlambe upolice uphindula into be more. You understand?
No
Truly
votes.
speaking,
Sure.
this guy took out the best out of these kids. Uwadu. I mean, he's done well. Now Pirates, they dominate in terms of collapse national team. And the big gap between him and Pirates and Sundowns. I mean, Jose Rivero last year had the chance to win the league, first round of the season. This guy like Pirates.
Yeah.
He never, he maputa. You understand? At the end there.
For sure.
And lo mjita lo ngikhumbula na ku-Nedbank, not MTN8, he beat Sundowns
Convincingly.
convincing, honestly, and Nhlanhla mangaba nje neVAR nawe. Also he took out the best out of individual players. Yabo uThabang Mrimi and
Tshepa Moremi, yeah.
I mean to say Tshepa Mrimi, and well done to the coach lo mfana lo Siema as well. So I think Abolis as well. Ngizomshayela izandla even uRile. Ngiyazi ukuthi beka top umfana uJose Rivero when young play of the season, but now the maturity of the boy and the coach allow, and well done too. So
All right. So
I will
who
give
do you
it-
give coach of the
what
coach of
mean
the season
that's me.
Your
No man
choice.
wina uJose.
to? Yeah.
Obvious, maga winile, obvious. Bamnika on. But for me, I'll give this guy just honestly he's done well for himself. Ngimtawuthile makaqala, which is I believe experience idlala indima enkulu kuye. But in terms of the talent, yes, I will give.
Wadu. You?
Nami Nhlanhla kuleyo I'll also give it to coach Ward, but uyazi angisho ukuthi eMzansi kunjani. Whenever you win the league, yeah, so but for me now I will give it number Ward.
Ward. All right,
Uba
cool.
pushy this season.
Okay. There's been interesting goals. From the beginning of the season till now. Your most memorable goal, who would you give the goal? Okay, season ayikapheli sezophela. But okay, so qina ngayo ke. Cabangeni,
Singayishaya,
cabangeni.
singayishaya.
Okay,
Last
sure.
time.
Okay, who would you give your goal of the season to?
Yeah, wona khona man. Hey mara ngibona elinye la kaReal Plaga kushuthi uzenzele man.
Yeah.
Lela lithi balleya. La ngathi ureferee ublowiwe isile akusadlalwa and then ugoalkeeper stand umfana. And where it matters most, ukhumbule lo mfana has been scoring goals. Goalkeeper because misela more lapha. Ayamnika nalela for me is one of them. Okay. Akusilo kuphela washayile enhlanhla yabo. Especially I think itashayile lo mfana this year. Most ama goal
season,
wakhe. Yeah, washayile mfethu and Abishamanye inhle kusanzima kakhulu. Honestly, if I can be like realistic with you, awadabulile washayile umfana nhlanhla washayile, especially him. Maybe 3 I will say Marlele ngitshela ngalali plug goalkeeper libukela. It's one of them. And ekhona nelinye ngisakhumbula, I think they were playing Marumo Gallants, if not mistaken, eli heavy nalo.
Your goal of the season so far?
Bang. Laba maningi.
Asindoda. Okay, elodwa nje.
Naleli manje lishawa ubani konje umbekezeli ushayile.
Umbekezeli umbokazi.
Ledlala against inisiwelele. It was isiwelele ne.
Was it?
Why this season ne?
Yeah, that's this season.
Ay nalo lela yilo Michael. Lilo la ngomokazi. Leli le break. Le shintshila
Yeah.
Le shintshila
Yeah, Chinchilla effect.
Yeah, they it was I said to the interview.
Okay, cool. And let's talk about khona abantu aba-improvile kule season, right? We need to acknowledge those as well. Let's take it from the most improved coach, and then we'll come to the most improved player in your eyes. Let's start with you, Michael. The most improved coach this season in your eyes.
I'll give it to Atazan.
Definitely.
Yeah, I'll give
He
it to
deserves it, yeah.
Atazan.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
definitely.
Nalo
him,
Pucci.
yeah?
Pucci from Polokwane City. Atazwane, yes, number 2 Pucci. I think for most improved coach, Boychuba Maru obvious uzoyini.
All right, let's talk about the most improved player. Not
Um,
this season, like, you know, maybe we've been watching him 2 seasons, 3 seasons ago, but like this season, he's been absolutely a marvel to watch.
No, mina umuntu engakhuluma ngaye, I can talk about the player lePirates uMasindi neMthatshela.
Okay.
Because makacala like yabona abantu bebamdoubt. But manje ubonisile ukuthi no, mina nguMasindi nami ngiphakamisa isandla. Angizanga la ngokuzorelax ngizosebenza la.
All right. Your most improved player.
Study season Gabi.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now is the most important player for Sundowns and national team. And I mean umfana manje Nhlanhla is one of the best. Next season I think will be the content of play of the season, that boy.
All right.
Uzobalwa nje kuma play of the season. So most improvement I'll give it to him.
Okay. And the most improved team. There has to be a team that improved from last season and 2 seasons ago.
Mina ngizoyinika wona amaZulu futhi.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right. Okay. All right.
Angale mina I will be honest to you ngizonika ilo mfethu. This team Orlando Pirates, honestly, because when you check the gap, Pirates they didn't give me kuma season amanye bengasi team efuna. I think bebangana ama intention noma bebayisho to the media to win the league. They said they will improve.
They were not talking, they were acting.
Ngisho kanjalo. So putting Sundowns under pressure. I mean Sundowns are relaxing. Akusho debate, it's obvious. That's why we need debate even today. Some people they still going to still believe no more anybody right. Because when you look at the points, Pirates if they win their remaining game in hand, I mean it's equal. So
remaining games,
honestly, Pirates mina most improved team. Ngiyazi club enkulu, they deserve to win. Pirates club enkulu, they won 2 trophies already. But the most improved team this year, especially when you check the league, and they're competing against a team that is well spent, with proper players as well. So improved team in Pirates.
Okay. Now let's get into the predictions because like we've got games coming up. Tomorrow, Orlando Pirates is in action with the newly crowned Durban City that are Nedbank champions. And then we've got Mamelodi Sundowns in action on Wednesday.
It's Stellenbosch, Durban City Pirates.
Pirates is playing against Stellenbosch. And then Mamelodi Sundowns is playing against Durban City, I think.
Mamelodi Sundowns.
Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah, Kusasa is Stellenbosch and Orlando Pirates. And then Wednesday it's Chiefs and Sundowns.
Chiefs and Sundowns, yes. Okay, cool. So, yes, those are the 2 big teams. And others would actually, 2 big games. Others would say, like, these could be deciding games for either or the teams. So let's start with the predictions, Michael. okay, I know you're not gonna give me the score, but give me your winner for tomorrow's game with Orlando Pirates against Stellenbosch.
I think umuzi omnyama uzowina. Pirates izowina.
Pirates is a win.
Yeah, it's a win.
Okay.
I
Yes.
know the easy game. This time I'll
Not
give
at
it
all.
3-3.
Yeah.
Honest, Kevin Hunt. Uyathanda ukumosha man. Cleaniwe kahle.
And then is Kosako,
Afike
your score line?
yeah, it's Mtantla 1100 because capable ukukora Stellenbosch and they've
And
got
they've got Mabaso there.
I'm not too sure who is going to play. Pirates yaba allow
Oh, well.
banonda.
Yeah.
But ngaphandle kwalawo ma player banabo Chapa, Chinino, Abomdaka. They've got top class players. And it's not going to be easy. I mean, kule game Liana is not, honestly speaking, like Saras Tandla. They've got Cupido, the striker. They've got players that all compete no Mabasa. And I'm fair easy. And it's going Cape Town, Pena. You
They're
understand?
traveling, yeah.
It's not going to be. It's Kevin Hunt says we also like dirty game. And it's going to make it very difficult for Orlando Pirates. I mean, he came now, Mbusele came in. Ngobu Kevin must come far now. We chatted this as a second chance. I know he won awards. And he deserve, I mean, coach deserve respect. But truly speaking, he came again, so he chatted sort of a second chance this. Beating Ultron about Sundowns at their best, competing for a league. And beating Kaizer Chiefs, you remember. And now draw. Or win or Pirates win. Marang ne believe njoba ngisho so draw, I mean, and it's going to upset Orlando Pirates and imbeya kwenye map now.
Sure. All right, Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns. That is a big game this week.
Yabona Ntantla nayo enye igame enzima leyo Ntantla kuzoba igame enzima. I think iChiefs izofuna ukuspoila. I think
Okay.
into abazoyizela kule season bazongenela kulo.
Okay.
Yeah, I think mina igame enginika idraw le.
Itro.
Izobe seloftas yeah.
Right.
So stars.
Yeah, it's a Loftus.
Angithi uthi slow chala pay arena.
Loftus. Oh, it's Loftus Arena and then Loftus.
Slow chaphela nalapha.
Alright,
So
your
honestly
score?
Nhlanhla ngeke ngize ngisho score but Sundowns is a winner because they know once they lose that game or draw
It's over for them.
it's
Could it be over for them though? Or
true and nge-goal different bayishiya so they will wanna go by all means ayizoba nzima i-Sundowns iwina leyo game ubhale phansi Sundowns
ngiyayibhala phansi ukuthi
ibhale
Sundowns izowina.
ibhale
All right, and that is it as far as this week's episode is concerned. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and commenting on the content. Remember, this episode was brought to you by World Sports Betting. #WSB, #Bet with the best. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you next week as we will then know who is likely to take the lead. Thank you so much for joining us.
Danko.